Hello guys, I hope you all are doing great. Today we are making a quick vegetable soup using water leaf and fluted pumpkin leaves, that is ugu. And here I have my water leaf which I've washed and sliced very well, and also the fluted pumpkin leaves I've also washed and sliced them very well. And in the pot here I already have all we are going to use for this soup cooking here. I have the beef, the fish, dry fish, I have crayfish, I've added palm oil, salt, pepper, seasoning cubes and all the rest. And then the next thing I'll do is to add the water leaves, cook for about 2 minutes, and then add the ugu. Also cook it for about 2 minutes, and that is it. We have our soup ready. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and at the end of it, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you all. I love you. Enjoy the video.
Alright. Okay. Alright. You'll be alright. Stupid